welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm gonna be doing my skincare, and I'm gonna be taste testing things what I bought from Penny's. So let's get into it. I'm so excited. I'm very excited actually by doing this because my thing's behind this. I'm gonna use this pad I got, and by the way, I got all these from Penny's. First, don't mind the background noise. My sister's gonna come in because she's in the background right now, so she's gonna come in the room. So don't mind her. So first, I got this. Wait, I'll just tell you what it is. Micellar, M-I-C-E-L-L-A-R, don't know, cleansing water with vitamin E and organic rose water. Gently removes makeup and cleanses skin. I wear a lot of makeup when I go skiing. Like I put like makeup on, so yeah. And it's vegan. It says for all skin types, including sensitive skin. It's great because I don't have sensitive skin, but I have smooth skin also. But I can't even get this to stand up. Okay, let's just put it there. Okay. Don't mind the dirt in the background because that's gonna get all fixed. I'm getting a new room. And by the way, guys, I got loads of Stitch things. Like, I'm a fan. So I got this ages ago from my source worker. And guys, look at his cheeks. Look at his cheeks. They light up. I love Stitch. This is my favorite Stitch thing that I got. Next, I got this Stitch matte face mask. Cause like whenever my sister's coming in and she's going to sleep, but she has her phone and the light makes me annoyed, and I can't even sleep with the light on. So that means I bought this. I can finally sleep. I love Stitch, by the way, and I am too lazy to get it. So I have a Stitch necklace and a Stitch bag, which I brought, and it's on the ground. So sadly, it's on the ground, but I'm too lazy to get it because I'm not gonna have enough storage to post anymore. Well, maybe after a while. Yeah. So first, we're gonna get into this. I'm gonna put the thing what I just pronounced. And it's actually kind of a little quick skincare because I only have two products to put on my face. And also I got everything from Penny's, like everything. So I got, sorry, I'm a fast talker, hydrating thing. I got all of them because they were 90 cents. Yeah. And I got this plumping vitamin E sheet mask. I got revitalizing, whatever it's called, acid mask, and I got brightening mask. Looks like a deal to me. So that's what I'm gonna be doing, but I'm not gonna put it on it today because I'm not really going anywhere. I usually just put them on when I'm going somewhere, like because my skin needs to be hydrated. And I have like spots. There's so many spots there. Like little white spots, and then yeah, that's why I got it. So first I'm going to, it's because of my makeup. It's definitely because of my makeup. So I'm just going to try and open it. Oh yeah, I forgot what else I didn't show you. I'm attached to talking. I have to be quick talking. Oh god. And it was only $1.50. There's like a huge bottle for €30. $3.50. I didn't get that because it's gonna be more because the whole price was €15. So yeah, the Stitch face mask was €3. So I had €20. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, and I'm just gonna use that. But first, I'm showing you what else I got. I got this Hydro Super Changed Serum. I actually don't know what it is. It kind of burns my face, but like not really burns my face. I only feel it a little bit. That means it's working, I think. So yeah. And it's 4-8H hydration. My sister's coming. I've tried it on and my face was sticky. I'm gonna say to my sister when she comes in, I'm doing a video. And I got this from Penny's. It was only $1.50 as well. So I'm just gonna start with this because ew, what it is. That's disgusting. Sorry, I'm a weirdo. It's in my eye. Sorry, I'm just gonna have to look in my mirror. Oh, no, my eye, but I can feel it, but like, also can't. This is makeup you get away. Oh, that's actually coming off. I only use a bit. I don't want to use a bit because like, both I need to get more, and I don't. Ow, my eyes. Guys, it's actually working, but it kind of burns. No, it doesn't burn. It just feels hydration. And it's cleansing water, so it's water, which is good. Yeah, it's actually water. Yeah, it's water, so. It's kind of weird why it's water. You can just get water and do it. Same thing, but anyway, I just bought this just in case. Just in case. Anything, I don't get off my makeup and I have a heart attack, which I always happen to have. I'm trying to get off things. I love doing videos like this. Like, I want to inspire people. I kind of want to be an ASMR girl, but also not, because like everyone's gonna see it, and I'm just wiping the dirt off my face. Oh, look at that dirt. This is why you should always use cotton pads. They tell you the truth. They actually tell you the truth about makeup. Dirt. Okay. My skin feels sticky again, which is annoying. So I'm gonna put, well, it's gonna be more stickier if I put this on myself. And it's very heavy. I tried it on, it was sticky. It's, yeah, I already told you. I'm just making sure it doesn't be that heavy because, yeah. I might be getting McDonald's later, I don't know, from my sister. She's buying it. Okay, this is a lot. But I do not want to do it. Oh, wow. It actually feels amazing. Kind of amazing, but also not. How is? I actually love my skincare that I buy. That was a fart. Don't mind that. Everyone farts. It's okay. I'm putting it over my spots as well because yeah, I have loads of them. I'm like, yeah. Sorry guys, I'm just gonna get some. I'm just gonna put this back. Cause like, and up there hurts. Oh, it's annoying. So, very annoying actually. Whew. Okay guys, you don't know what I'm about to show you. I'm about to show you cool. Just kill. Amazing thing. Okay, I need this as well. I need that. Sorry guys, I'm a girl who does makeup. I'm just picking up my makeup. It's not really makeup, but I call it makeup. Okay. Okay. So what I got, well, I got one of these and another one of these. I had 3, but then I don't know where the other one's gone. Weird. Next I got this. This is gonna be my skincare from now on, because it's all new. Okay, next I have this roller for skin to smoothen out, which I like. It feels good. It's a Penny's haul, by the way. It's a whole Penny's haul. So yeah. And my lips are like pinkish red because it's watermelon flavour. But it's lip balm. So yeah. Because I don't like nothing touch my face unless it's actually cleaning things. Like, it's like I'm like throwing it on my face and then cleaning it off with cleanser and all. Wait, did I just put already a cleanser on? Oh, it's a serum. Because if you put like 2 cleansers on, like, I don't know, I mean 2 moisturizers, it'll ruin your skin. Maybe that's why I have spots. Because I actually don't really know about skincare, but I start looking into it and I love it. And that's why I got masks as well. I got masks because, like, what if I feel ill and my face doesn't dehydrated, it's not cold. And my face is actually not cold. Like, it's not even a bit cold. Which I want it to be cold. But it is what it is. And then next, I'm trying to push pop. Okay, ready? And it's blackcurrant flavor. It's blackcurrant flavor. I got it from Lidl. I don't even know that they sell them, like, because like they usually just sell them in like Dunn stores and all, but this time they don't, which is I quite find weird.